Welcome back to another video. So today we are going to type a program which would perform a linear search in a list defined by us. As usual, you can pause the video and try writing the solution yourself. So now let us begin with the program. First we are going to give a list in which we are performing the linear search. So for that we define a list named list1 which is equal to any random numbers. Now to show the user we will print the list so that while running the program the list is shown one time, so we write print the list in which we are going to perform the linear search is, list1. Now we will ask the user for the integer he or she wants to search for, so for that we define a variable named find. Now find will be equal to int input, enter the integer you want to search for. Now we will check for the value of find, so we write for I in list1. If I double equal to find, then print yes, the value is there in the list. Now we are going to use the break function. Now for the else part we write print no, the integer was not found in the list. So we are performing a search in the list1 and the break function is used because if we do not use it then it will print the statements for each time I occurs. Now if we run the program and enter a value which is present in the list, we can see the output is showing that the value is there in the list. Now we will also check for the integer not there in the list, so now the output is showing that the integer is not present in the list. So the program works fine. Hence we are done for now. If you liked the video then appreciate it by giving a thumbs up. If watching my videos for the first time then subscribe to the channel as it is being shown at the corner, and also share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.
Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's faking now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more.